A string of suspicious events has escalated at a high-profile residence. Late Friday night, a fire broke out at the home of President Emerson Mnangagwa's son and Deputy Finance Minister David Kudakwashi. This alarming incident follows closely on the heels of two separate break-ins at the same property. On June 23, intruders breached security, making away with documents, laptops, and an iPad belonging to the deputy minister. These items were later found dumped on the rooftop. In another chilling episode, cartridges were left outside his bedroom door and on his lawn. Police Commissioner Paul Nyathi confirmed that investigations into these security breaches had already been launched on Friday. Then, at 23:30 hours on June 28, the situation took a more dangerous turn with the house catching fire. In his statement, Commissioner Nyathi emphasized that the Zimbabwe Republic Police are actively investigating the fire incident. The sequence of events raises serious concerns about the safety and security of high-ranking officials. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story and bring you the latest updates.